In this video, we're going to work on a basic dry fire drill, most notably on our trigger control. Now I have my Canik MC9 Prime here. It's my EDC. I practice with this quite often, rightfully so. I also have a couple items in front of me. One, a little figurine that my daughter created, and some snap caps. Now I've done a video or two on snap caps. Very critical tool to have if you're practicing dry fire at home. So diving right into the drill, obviously we want to make sure that we have a clear tool. We're going to go ahead and take the snap caps to start. So all we want to do is simply just try to place that object, whatever it may be, right on the front end of the muzzle there. So when I talk about the wall, if you're not familiar, it's that slack that we pull back until we meet resistance. Now we want to break it down into two stages. Find the wall and pull. Now, accuracy is a big thing when it comes to trigger pull. If you do it right, you're going to be more accurate in combination with your other mechanics. But if we try to over muscle this, or if we pull and yank back on that, especially for a right hand shot, what you're going to end up doing is that muzzle is going to deviate slightly, and that's where you're going to get your shots maybe low left or to the left for a right-handed shooter. Now, bringing those two stages together here. Find the wall, click, hopefully maintain balance. Now, doing this single hand can be challenging at first. If you do have someone that can place this with your full grip, that is something that you could also work on. You could do this while sitting on the couch, sitting at your desk, at the range. Really, if you have the snap caps or any other item, you could even use a penny, and hopefully finding success in combining your wall and your trigger pull. So what types of drills are you doing to work on your accuracy? I'd love to be able to hear about them. Leave them in the comment section below, or if you have a video, I'd love to check out what you're doing. As always, stay trained, stay safe, and thanks for watching.